Welcome to Vedic Astrology. This is the reading for Water Trine for August 2023. And as you know, at Vedic Astrology, I have aligned tarot with Vedic Astrology, and you will, hear it from my analysis. You can understand why I do this from the training videos that I've done, and that can be found on my website and on my YouTube channel. So that this is how I do what I do here, for the love and respect and the knowledge that Bhagwan has given to me. So again, let me tell you that this is all about a general reading. It's not about you specifically. I don't have your information, so that I cannot read for you specifically if I don't have your information. This is the Lenormand pack that I use to deal with my 9-card spread. And here we start with the Gentleman, Mountain, Fish, Clouds, Tree, as in, a tree in the forest, Cross, Ship, Moon, and Lady. My goodness. Okay, so the tree here is the central card, and it's all about the roots, all about relationship, because the 7 of Hearts, and Hearts is about feeling, support, relationship. 7 is always a good number, as you know, in Vedic Astrology. It is a good number. In tarot reading, it is a good number. So that we talk about the roots here. We talk about, at the end of the day, something that is going to ground you, something that gives you grounding, that pulls you together, that gives you that support, that shelters you, but allows you to grow. So this is what the central card is about. And in the past, you had, well, this is a gentleman, clouds, and a ship sailing. And with the ship sailing, it's all about leaving, it's all about traveling, it's all about something that is not the norm for you. But a relationship probably didn't work out for you in the past, Water Trine, because you didn't see a lot of things, and you let that ship sail. That's what I'm seeing here for you, Water Trine. The ship has sailed for you because you didn't see a lot of things in a relationship that you were in. You didn't get the support that you wanted, because the cards are telling me that you allowed a relocation to happen for you. You left the relationship because you weren't seeing clearly where that was taking you, or where it would have given you the support that you wanted with this central figure. But even though you have support now, you still have obstacles to overcome. 21 is the mountain. The mountain is there in front of you, and you need to climb over that mountain to get on the other side. But the mountain has places where you can climb. It is giving you a little bit of help. It might be a little bit of upheaval too, but you will recognize the inspiration that this mountain is giving you to overcome whatever it is that you need to overcome, because the stability and the roots here, you are going to get support. And this support is from persons around you, from your network, from your home. It is something that has been inculcated and ingrained in you, because these roots are far reaching. It has a lot of protection there. It's going to protect you and guide you and allow you to grow. And that is the inspiration you are going to have to overcome what it is you need to overcome. And with a double 8, 8 is all about sudden transformation and transition in Vedic Astrology. And we have double 8 here in this tarot reading in the present for you, Water Trine. So double 8 tells me that something may very well happen suddenly, or things will happen suddenly. You will gain inspiration suddenly, you will overcome things suddenly, but because your roots are going to guide you and support you, you will have that background, that foundation to do what you have to do. And the 3 carries it with it number 5 in Lenormand pack. And 5, or the 5th house in Vedic astrology, deals with your luck from the past, whether it's good or bad, your karma, punya, puva, we call it, and this is what it is bringing you. Your karma from the past is bringing you this root, this stability, so that you are going to utilize that to climb that mountain, to gain that inspiration in the present, because the future gives you a lady, and the Ace of Spades, it's probably a new job, a new beginning, a new way, a new road to do something. You find a new opportunity, and somebody is going to give you that new opportunity, because this is abundance, this is wisdom, this is prosperity. There are still going to be some crosses to bear. You will still have some worries, but it may be about I think it might be about your own faith, because this cross is all about religion. The 6 of clubs, 6 is about routine, your daily work. That is what the house is, service to others. And clubs deal with responsibilities, so that your responsibilities are still there for you to bear. You look at it as a burden, but maybe you need to change your mind, because this is a new beginning. But you take your burdens and your responsibilities seriously, that it becomes a burden for you. Don't let that happen. It is something that will always stay with you, because you feel you have to give back from this tree that helped you throughout your life, help you overcome this relationship that you had to leave, to get this inspiration, to understand that you have to do what you have to do to get over those obstacles, to get this abundance, to deal with your responsibilities and obligations, and to accept the new beginnings, and guided by the elder in society for you. So water trine, this is your reading with the Lenormand pack. Let us see what your mental state will be, or should be, or what the moon is going to guide you in, for you to be assisted in this reading for August 2023. And let us just pull a random card here. Let us see. Moon in Sagittarius, and be prepared to be adaptable, as plans you have laid may take an unexpected course. And this is what this double eight is all about. Told you that Vedic astrology, the eighth house, is all about sudden transformation, things that must come to an end, things that you have to deal with, your fate, your karma, your destiny, all rolled into one. It's all about transition, and you need to be adaptable, because you have the grounding, you have the foundation, you have the roots to hold you up and take you through that sudden change, that sudden transition that will be happening for you, water trine. And water trine, remember, you are Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So that this fire sign here is going to churn up the water a little bit for you, Sagittarius. Your mind is going to be working, it's going to be gunning, it's going to be a little run for you, but you have the stability to get through everything. So this is your reading, water trine, for August 2023 from Vedic Astrology.